These days, more and more kitchens come with lunch counters. That's why Trika offers a wide range of functional and comfortable quality counter stools that work with the style and the range of colors your customers have chosen. With 4 seat heights, a large selection of fabrics and leather, metal and wood components in a wide range of colors, Trika provides your customers with a variety of combinations. Welcome to the Montreal Museum of Fine Arts and the Alberto Giacometti exhibition. We start our visit in Gallery Number 1. This self-portrait was painted in 1923, the year after Giacometti arrived in Paris. As an adolescent, he had studied painting and sculpting in Geneva and worked for a time with his godfather. He had traveled to Italy on 2 occasions, visiting museums in Venice, Florence, and Rome. Alberto led a charmed life as a young artist, mastering everything he touched. The West of Scotland trial showed that use of pravastatin significantly reduced the risk of morbidity and mortality. The immediate assumption was that risk diminished proportionately as LDL levels dropped. Dr. Chris Packard explains how he and his fellow investigators discovered otherwise. Imagine the eye as a small, fluid-filled balloon. Light travels through the front of the balloon and strikes the back, where the retina is located. The retina then relays messages about what you're seeing by way of the optic nerve, which in turn transmits the information to the brain. In the womb, the fetus is weightless. Normally in a curled-up position, it can move freely and gently. The sound and light it perceives are muffled, diffuse. The ambient temperature is constant.